Model Portfolios is your all-in-one hub for managing client portfolios, testing model strategies, and generating full-length PDF reports on your portfolio's performances. You can easily add and adjust holdings and weights of a model portfolio one by one, or simply dropping in an Excel file. And once it's ready to go, Model Portfolios unlocks a wealth of helpful tools right at your fingertips. You can understand key stats of your portfolio at a glance, such as risk, performance, and return versus peers. From there, you can check allocation by asset class, region, market cap, and more, as well as individual security exposure to understand if your model is concentrated on any particular security. Model portfolios can also be used throughout YCharts. You can easily load a model into fundamental charts and compare it to a benchmark, other funds or individual stocks, and even economic indicators. Within model portfolios, you can also illustrate its holdings on a scatter plot to understand how individual holdings affect portfolio level metrics, as well as stress test any model against historical events, again with a benchmark comparison. There's also an ESG data tab that can be used to gauge how well your model's underlying holdings score on an ESG scale. Lastly, you can generate personalized PDF reports from model portfolios, great for use in a client meeting or in follow-up prospecting efforts. YCharts has over 30 different report outputs to choose from, including one-page tear sheets and FINRA review templates. These reports are printer-ready, brandable with your firm's logo and color scheme, and are great resources for showcasing your portfolio's strengths to win new business and increase client satisfaction. If you'd like to learn more about model portfolios or test drive the tool yourself, please reach out to start a free trial today.